Ready? It's time. QuizHubLab. Ready? Quiz time.
You will see a flower and 3 possible answers. Choose the correct one before the timer runs out. Can you guess these flowers before the timer runs out? Subscribe and let's start.
Can you guess it? The correct answer is tulip, a symbol of spring. What is this? The correct answer is sunflower. Follows the sun. Guess the picture. The correct answer is rose, a symbol of love. Name this. The correct answer is daisy, symbol of innocence. Do you know this? The correct answer is lily, often used in weddings. Can you name it? The correct answer is orchid. Represents beauty and luxury. What's this? The correct answer is lavender, known for its calming scent. Guess the image. The correct answer is peony. Blooms in late spring. Only smart people know. The correct answer is buttercup. Bright yellow wildflower. Can you solve this? The correct answer is daffodil, a sign of spring. Can you guess it? The correct answer is hydrangea. Changes color based on soil. What is this? The correct answer is hibiscus, common in tropical regions. Guess the picture. The correct answer is lotus, symbol of purity. Name this. The correct answer is lilac. Has a sweet fragrance. Do you know this? The correct answer is magnolia, one of the oldest flowers. Can you name it? The correct answer is camellia. Blooms in winter. What's this? The correct answer is marigold, often used in festivals. Guess the image. The correct answer is poppy, symbol of remembrance. Only smart people know. The correct answer is iris, named after a Greek goddess. Can you solve this? The correct answer is Geranium, common garden plant. Can you guess it? The correct answer is begonia. Grows well indoors. What is this? The correct answer is petunia, popular in hanging baskets. Guess the picture. The correct answer is azalea, blooms in spring. Name this. The correct answer is chrysanthemum, symbol of longevity. Do you know this? The correct answer is carnation, often used in bouquets. Can you name it? The correct answer is bluebell. Grows in forest areas. What's this? The correct answer is anemone, also called windflower. Guess the image. The correct answer is ranunculus, known for layered petals. Only smart people know. The correct answer is freesia, has a sweet fragrance. Can you solve this? The correct answer is gladiolus, tall and sword-shaped. Can you guess it? The correct answer is dahlia. Comes in many colors. What is this? The correct answer is gardenia, has a strong fragrance. Guess the picture. The correct answer is zinnia, attracts butterflies. Name this. The correct answer is cosmos, easy to grow. Do you know this? The correct answer is nasturtium, edible flowers. Can you name it? The correct answer is foxglove, used in medicine. What's this? The correct answer is verbena. Blooms all summer. Guess the image. The correct answer is snapdragon. Flower looks like a mouth. Only smart people know. The correct answer is hellebore. Blooms in winter. Can you solve this? The correct answer is amaryllis. Large, bright flowers. Can you guess it? The correct answer is crocus. Blooms early spring. What is this? The correct answer is Edelweiss, grows in the mountains. Guess the picture. The correct answer is lantana, changes colors as it blooms. Name this. The correct answer is delphinium, tall blue flowers. Do you know this? The correct answer is sweet pea, very fragrant flowers. Can you guess it? The correct answer is jasmine, famous for its sweet scent. What is this? The correct answer is coneflower, popular with bees and butterflies. Guess the picture. The correct answer is primrose, blooms in early spring. Name this. The correct answer is yarrow, known for tiny, clustered flowers. Do you know this? The correct answer is morning glory, opens in the morning sun.
How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments. Let's see who's the smartest.